You got a road glide or street glide. Really doesn't matter. Your lower back hurt when you ride long distance? Want to make yourself a little bit more comfortable? Stay tuned. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm over at my brother's house where I keep my bike sometimes. I picked up something from Amazon to make myself a little bit more comfortable when riding long distance. Yes, Amazon. All right. I picked myself up a backrest. All right. I don't have a backrest right here. So it goes right in here. Okay. You could buy the Harley Davidson one for, you got to buy the mounting bracket. That's $100. Then you got to buy the backrest itself, and that's another couple $100. All right. And it doesn't have the greatest reviews. Also, you can also order another custom ones. But I decided to go with Amazon, and I got the middle of the line. I'll show you what I got. It's going to be pretty decent, and, it's good enough for me. Benlari, adjustable driver's backrest rider for Harley Davidson touring, street glide, road glide. So I went middle of the road. There's ones that you can get for like 50, 60 bucks. I paid $80 for this, $75 for this one, 78, I don't remember. It's either 75 or 78.99 or whatever. Links will be in the description below. There's no instructions in the box, but when they shipped it out, they did email me and sent me instructions electronically, and I'll have that link in the description below also. Let's see what's in the box. It all comes out nice in styrofoam, wrapped, pretty good. Got your bar, got to put that together. Got the cushion, pretty nice cushion, I think. All right, and it has a little pouch on the back, so you can keep stuff in there if you wanted to. Not much room, but okay. This comes off too. Okay. This is the bracket that you mount underneath. When I was doing my research, I thought this was a little bit better of a product than some of the other ones, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. And then this should probably be like the bolts and stuff, and bolts in the other bracket that you need. All right. Now I'll figure how to put this together. All right, the first thing you got to do is take the saddlebag off. So I'm going to take the saddlebag off and set it off to the side. Okay. All right. Next step is to take your strap off, and there's a screw right here. All you got to do is take the screw out. Next thing is let's see here. There's another screw under here to hold your seat on. I've never haven't taken this off yet, so we'll see how this is going to go. There we go. Okay. Got that screw out. Take the seat off. You got two studs sticking through your fender here with nuts on them. Just need to take those off. I don't know what size they're. I'm using 7/16. 7/16. All right. Just set those aside. This bracket will go right here, underneath these right here. This holds your computer down and stuff. So all we gotta do is take these bolts out. And you can either use a star, or I'm just gonna use 1/2 inch. Next step, since this is 99 and up, but past 99, I'm going to use this bracket here. Okay, and that goes underneath here. But the next step is to take this, get your carriage bolt, short carriage bolt, go up from underneath, washer, and then your 5/16 nut, and just loosely put that on there. Next, we're going to lift this up, slide this underneath. And then we're going to slide the bracket underneath your tabs there, and then put these back in. Put your bolts back in. Just, since this is plastic, just slightly snug them up. Just snug this bolt up a little bit too, okay, the nut. And then we're going to go from there. In videos I've watched, everybody's put it on right here, put this bracket on the second hole down. I just checked, and the second hole down looks like it's going to be the best. Put the 2 nuts back on. Tighten these up.
Careful. I tighten these up too.
All right, and tighten up your other bolt here. Okay. Okay, there is a set screw right here. This allows for the seat to go up and down. I'm going to loosen it up right now. Okay.
You got to make sure the bar goes in.
Got to make sure the bar goes in. I'm going to put the seat back on and test fit. Plus, I also got to put the seat together, and I'll show you that. All right, let's take that off. There we go. Okay. So I took the nut off. Slide your bar on. Okay. Nut, washer, washer and nut. Okay. Let's see here. 10 millimeter, I guess, works. And let's see here. I don't know. 3/16 works, I guess. Allen. Just holding it. And tighten it up. All right, let's do a test run. I'm going to get on and see how this feels. I don't know. I think it's back too far. I think I got to move this forward a little bit more for me. Okay, so I'm going to tilt this forward a little bit more for myself, I think. In order to do that, you turn this clockwise, you loosen up the top. And I think that was a 5/8. And then you loosen up, you go counterclockwise, I think, on the other nut on the bottom. And it should bring this up. Okay. And then tighten this down. All right. The kit comes with its own Allen for in here. That set screw is for the tension on bringing these in there. So you can hear it click. Looks pretty good. So after that, you just put the seat all back. You take this off. You put your seat back on. Put everything back on, and you should be fine. Okay. All right. Here's the backrest on. Seat's back on, everything's all back together. Looks pretty good. I have it, I tested it out sitting on a little bit. I haven't gone for a ride yet, so once I start going for a ride, I might have to adjust it here or there, either up and down or back more or forward more. So we'll have to make some fine adjustments later. But it looks like it's going to work out pretty good for me. All right, so that's my video of the rider's backrest that I got off of Amazon. The links will be in the description below. That's all I need for a backrest. I don't need, any fancy backrest. If I ever do a new seat, maybe, if I ever do a custom seat or anything, then I'll get a custom backrest to go along with it. But for now, that's all I need. And like I said, I'll test it out when we go on a ride and make some fine adjustments for it. So if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell so you're notified when I put up new videos. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What do you think? I don't think it's too bad for 80 bucks, 75 bucks, in between there, 75 to 80 bucks. Yeah, so just leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.